Introducing our new development, the automatic railway press Muscle KPRZ-M.04 DUO for double-sided pressing and unpressing of wheel sets. This type of press is primarily intended for enterprises working with a wide range of wheel sets. These include wheel sets for trams, locomotives, freight cars, and metro cars, suitable for both factories producing new wheel sets and for repair production. This type of press has gained recognition in developing countries in Africa, Asia, and South America. Why? Because the wide range of settings, reduced operator qualification requirements, and the ability to unpress almost any wheel set are just a few of the advantages of the double-sided press Muscle KPRZ-M.04 DUO.
Our bilateral presses and muscles are functional equivalents to European and American presses from leading global manufacturers such as BBM, Siemens, and Maya. But in terms of thoughtfulness, they stand out favorably from their counterparts. They are easy to maintain. Components are interchangeable. We provide customers with open access to the software. We support updates throughout the lifespan of the press. The presses are equipped with automatic carriages that feed the wheel set into the working area of the press. There can be either one carriage or several. In a production line, to speed up the cycle, one carriage feeds the axle into the press, while the second extracts the finished axle from it. This allows for a reduction in auxiliary operation time during pressing and the separation of wheel set element flows in the depot.
A feature of the press is the movable central thrust traverse. It moves not only horizontally, but also has the ability to exit the pressing zone and move to the side, freeing up space. The traverse itself has two thrust brackets. One can work on press fitting, the other on press removal or for press fitting various elements. This solution allows working on similar wheel sets without reconfiguration, tooling, and its lengthy adjustment for a new task.
To improve the quality of press fitting and the repeatability of cycles, the most advanced solutions have been applied. This includes axis centering, a separate hydraulic system for each power cylinder, a non-contact laser system for measuring linear accuracy of press fitting, and wheel runout control directly in the press. After the carriage loaded the wheel axle into the press, the centers of hydraulic cylinders fixed the axle on the central line of the press. The spring-loaded centers fold inward when the press starts to apply pressure to the wheel. This way, the auxiliary force does not interfere with the press fitting force diagram. The centers have interchangeable cones at 90 and 60 degrees for different types of axes.
Modern high-speed train wheel sets are subject to increased requirements for linear radial accuracy. The press uses a separate hydraulic system for each power cylinder. Servo drives of hydraulic units increase the accuracy of pressing speeds and reduce the downtime intervals of cylinders and traverses. The press also has powerful piston cylinders with a suppression margin of over 40%, which ensures the formation of wheel sets without jerks. To prevent axle deformation due to weight, the journal box seal of the cylinders is designed with a reinforced sealing block. A simple and reliable hydraulic scheme is implemented using components from the leading German valve manufacturer Rexroth. In European countries, wheels with an oil channel are mainly used, and the initial loosening of the wheel should be done not on the press, but with a high-pressure injector. But we also have our own proprietary developments. We can offer the well-known SKF pump and, of course, what we believe to be a more efficient solution with our proprietary injector.
Measurements. In this section, we use the best global practices. Bosch and Hewen equipment is highly interchangeable and has high durability in linear systems. It handles the declared loads well and copes with the harsh conditions of railway depots. Press controller. We most often choose the Japanese Amron for the best price-quality ratio. It is well supported worldwide. When the customer requests Siemens, we work with Siemens. It is probably the most advanced system in the world at the moment, but the support, software, long delivery times for components, and the possibility of support in some countries leave much to be desired.
The main evaluation of any equipment model is its successful testing. Before sending the press to the depot, we mandatorily test it on all parameters of the technological process. In the case of the automatic press, we ensure the wheel set pressing meets the technological process. The repeatedly tested technological process of the customer's inspector's presence simplifies the installation of the press in the depot.
The Muscle KPRZ press is transported to the customer in a disassembled state. Disassembly, preservation, and transport packaging are separate processes, and the quality of these also determines the success of the entire delivery. There are no small details here. Detailed labeling and packaging ensure no difficulties during the assembly and installation of the press at the customer site. A positive evaluation of our joint work is the finished product received by our customer on our equipment over an extended period of time. A hydraulic press is not just an equipment delivery, but an effective solution to your production task.